In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change your recovery phone number on your AOL Mail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is sign into AOL and then select your user account name up at the top right and go down and select account info. And now you want to go and select the tab that says security. Go ahead and select that. And then just scroll down near the bottom of the page. Versus recovery phone numbers, you can go ahead and add or change an existing phone number that's listed here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.